Hello and welcome to Fine Arts Channel. Today I'm going to be making the top layer and the main body of this house, which will rest on top of the existing platform. For my main material, I'm going to be using task board along with cardboard. Task board is a paperboard-like material which can be bent, sanded, and cut to shape. I've also got this other piece of cardboard which is thinner, and I'm going to be using that for some accent pieces. My tools are going to be scissors, an X-Acto knife, which I made in a previous video. There's a link in the description. And of course, a basic geometry set, including a ruler, compass, protractor, and triangle. I've also got my hot glue gun warming up, and we'll be using that to glue the pieces into place. I would use Elmer's glue, but for the sake of time, I'm going to be using this hot glue gun, as it dries much faster. Because this garage is a basement garage, there must be another level above it to accommodate the main house. To do that, I've got a large slab of cardboard that will rest above the garage, completely covering it. This will not be glued down so that you can lift it up and access the garage below. To support the slab in the back, I've got a piece of cardboard that is about the same height as this topography right here. I've folded it into a nice box, and I will glue it down here right now. I would hold it for a bit to make sure that it's really in there and it's not going to move. And now, as you can see, this plate can rest nicely on top of there, and it is quite sturdy. Now we can move on to building the main portion of the house. Because this video will focus on the main portion of the house, I'm going to set the basement part aside. I've roughed out some plans for this house. I have a mudroom here, a kitchen there, a dining area, living room, sitting room, master bedroom, another bedroom, and an office. There are also two decks here and here, for which I'm going to be using this accent cardboard. There's also a small depression here, which I will be building in by raising this area. I'm going to do that by putting cardboard on this base. Let's get started. The next thing that I'm going to do is cut a hole in the floor where the stairs can come up from the garage. That hole will be situated probably somewhere around this area. After that, I'm going to put in the outer walls here and here and create this area, which is the main part of the house. Let's get going. I have finally finished the first part of the main floor of this house. So I've finished building the dining room, and there's going to be a kitchen here, which I will build in later, a sitting room, a front room, and that's also the front door there. This will be a small bathroom, and this is a closet right here. This is basically the mudroom and doubles as the laundry room. Now, you see how this corner is flapping here? I've got a trick for that. All you have to do is put a rather large dot of glue into the corner. Then you've got to take something with a 90-degree angle and simply swipe this all the way up, like that. And now what that's done is it's actually created a seal. If you can see that right there, there's actually a seal made of glue there, and this will not come apart anymore. I use that on most of my corners here, and that really does help a lot. Now I am going to actually start on the second part of the house. And that includes the 2 bedrooms, an office, 2 bathrooms for the 2 bedrooms, and a little area here. That's just like a hallway. And I'm also gonna get some decks built with this cardboard that we looked at earlier, here and here. This hallway will connect out to the deck. So let's get started. The main portion of this house is for the most part finished. Off camera, I did a few things, such as build in partitions to the bathrooms and construct this pantry. While I was filming, I constructed this master bedroom, another bedroom, master bathroom, bathroom for this bedroom, office space, and a little hallway area. I also made these decks, which are more like patios because I didn't have multiple layers of cardboard to offset it and make some sort of a hill like I did on the main base. I made lots of furniture, lots and lots of furniture for the house that we're going to be gluing in here in a sec. After I've done that, I'm going to make a roof for this, and I'm thinking it's going to be removable because I'll want people to see all of my furniture, my wonderful furniture. So let's get started. Off camera, I made 2 pieces of the roof. One piece is cardboard, and the other piece is taskboard with a piece of accent cardboard glued onto it. And now for the grand reveal. Lifting off the top layer, we can see the garage down below. Set that aside. we've got our main floor. Lifting off this roof, we can see there is a large kitchen area, 2 sitting rooms, a dining room, large mudroom, bathroom, and closet. If we lift off this piece right here, we can see 2 bedrooms with their corresponding bathrooms and an office. We have 2 decks, one off to the side of the master bedroom and one leading off of this little hallway area. I'm super happy with the result of this project. This took a long time for me to complete. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.